Powell and Justin Stanball.
And who's in there with him?
Ryan Powell and Justin Stanball.
Like they've seen this before. Checking the transponders on all the cars right now. We got track and safety on the track and on the brush. Hey, there's another Domino's pizza. Somebody must order some more Domino's.
That's chilling in there.
Oh man, that's the most I've ever seen from the pace car race. Now keep in mind, you don't want to destroy your vehicle because there's 2 trailer races left tonight.
Yeah,
and those pay good money. Yeah, that's what I said. All right, your starter dancing double box on the Ralph Yarbo Memorial flag stand. Gonna look him over.
Hey, don't
Ryan
get my
Powell
cam.
and Justin Stanball in the car. Here we go, we're green.
We're green. Go, 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 go.
That is your pace car. Oh, look at the light show down here. Start finish line.
What's that?
He's got the dance music going on.
Yeah, I loaned him the
Yeah,
guitar.
baby.
Uh-oh. They're right here at the end. Yeah, because the pace car went around them.
No, well, he went around all them.
If you're just out loaning cars, I might just have to come out now. I know Jeremy would enjoy if he got out there.
How many girls do we have in there? 5 or 6? 5 girls.
All right, if you got some seats open next to you, raise your hand. Fans, we got some fans coming in looking for some seats, trying to get in on tonight's action. Raise your hands on the front stretch here. If you got some seats next to you, open and available, open seating.
Hey.
Looks like we got a
What, was she all
vehicle
worked up
on
for the
back
race?
stretch. All the fans on the back stretch doing tonight, make some noise! Yeah!
They didn't think about that.
I don't know, Steph, what do you think? Front stretch, you guys think you can get loud and proud? Front stretch, make some noise! That was pretty good. What do you think, backstretch? Can you be a little louder? Make some noise! One more time on the front stretch. Let me hear ya! Single ladies, let me hear ya! Good Lord! Is South Bend a tender side, or what are we doing here? What's going on, man? A lot of single ladies in the house tonight. I think a couple of married women even made some noise on that one. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I'm not getting involved with that.
I wanted to right.
Well, we got our disabled vehicle off the back stretch over there. He gone. Your pace car is up there by the pit gate in turn 2. The red car, kind of a maroon, metallic maroon red with the 7, a big yellow 7 right on the door. That's your pace car. So what are the rules? You can't pass the pace car. You don't want to get passed by the pace car. And you can't make contact with the pace car. Those 3 rules, you're out. All right, drivers, pay attention to the light. red flag.
Over there.
He's still in. Thomas.
Eliminate all.
Thomas
those
Thompson.
cars. What do you think, fans? Good thing Ryan got his hand in the car. Took a pretty good slam. All these cars up here are out. They're eliminated. My goodness, we just eliminated quite a few vehicles there.
He hit a car hard.
What are you doing, bro? You can't work on your car. Red flag, dude. Hey, Juan Pablo.
Thomas, see that car stuck behind him?
No, I don't.
Straight ahead.
Sterling Marlin did the same thing. I remember back in the NASCAR days. Sterling Marlin got out, full defender. NASCAR didn't like it. Sorry, bud.
What's the number on his car? 45?
Tangled mangled up here on the front stretch.
Okay.
All right, looks like she's up and out of the car, and wow, somebody just lost something.
Well, at least the truck's still good and drives.
He wants to do the trailer race.
We got leave the car there. What's going on?
Thomas does? Are you?
I don't know. I was going to talk to him first.
All right, your pace car leaders, your pace car drivers, Ryan Powell and Justin
Son's
Stanbaugh.
getting gutsy, ain't
It's getting better, too.
Yeah.
And he's protected by a big one. That's on his turn. That's the only thing I'm scared of.
I don't want them rolling. It's tough.
All right, keep an eye on your lights, drivers. Keep an eye on your lights and your
wipe out a
flags.
lot of cars, didn't it?
Do they know? Brianna, Tillen's in that Domino's.
Yeah, they know.
Okay.
They all do.
Keep an eye on your flags and the lights in the corners around the speedway.
Watch him. He's back. Yeah.
Over there.
What the heck is going on out there? Some aggressive driving out there tonight. My goodness. Shrapnel all over. Oh, here we go. Oh, hang on. Justin Stanbaugh.
Got it. Got it.
Where you guys
Tillen's
going?
got it.
Dude lost his helmet. Dude, you gotta make sure that helmet's on, bro. What do you? Put the brain bucket back on, man. Red flag, red, red, red.
What did he lose? A seat or a what? A bumper?
What's going on here at your pace car? What's going on? Oh, a little tag team action. They're switching it up. Ryan Powell behind the wheel. Kapow, baby. Justin Stanbaugh buckling up for safety.
Hey, were you supposed to get that car back in a whole piece?
That one? I don't care. I don't want none of the cars back there. I
Justin
just get a
hanging on to the oak crap handle.
I figured they'd be in it with it the way we're going around.
Well, then you better get at Jeremy. Jeremy would like to do this shit.
Checking on the guy up in turn 2. What's going on, man? Are you with that thing or?
Come and build a car.
He's climbing out. Hang on, everybody. We got a driver climbing
Message
out
him
over
and be
turn
like, hey
2.
man, would you like to be a driver?
Did
cars on the course. And again, watch your flagmen and lights around the speedway. Starter Dancing Doug Fox.
Oh, I didn't say that, did I?
Flags stand tonight.
Well,
Here we go. Pace cars off and moving. Oh, we're navigating around the car. We're playing hide and seek.
Take a picture.